Unleash the potential of 15 innovative tools designed to transform your craft. From electric to manual instruments, this collection features groundbreaking equipment to elevate your projects. These state-of-the-art tools showcase remarkable capabilities that craftspeople of all levels must see. Discover tools that make woodworking easier, faster, and more precise. Are you tired of rulers that slip and lack precision? Jessem's new precision rulers are the solution. Featuring a patented flex grip system, these rulers stay put on almost any surface. Available in imperial and metric with 1/16 and 1/32 markings, they cater to all your measurement needs. Crafted from 301 full hard stainless steel and laser engraved, Jessem's precision rulers offer durability, accuracy, and stability, the holy trifecta of measurement excellence. Carpenters, woodworkers, architects, and artists agree these are must-have tools that redefine precision. Elevate your skills with rulers that simply won't budge. Bid farewell to ill-fitting joints. Woodpecker's BigCal woodworking calipers deliver piston-fit precision. Offering furniture-size scale and machinist-level accuracy, these calipers outshine standard models. The perfectly aligning jaws, dual-function nut, and rigid stainless steel blade eliminate slippage when transferring dimensions. No more squinting at confusing dials. BigCal is engraved with clear 1/32 inch and 1 mm graduations. Made from premium materials like aircraft-grade aluminum, BigCal is built to last decades. Available in 12 and 24-inch sizes, they provide piston-fit accuracy for both large and small tasks. Upgrade your workshop with BigCal woodworking calipers and measure like a pro. Deck builders, meet the Clip Drive, the ergonomic stand-up tool that fastens all camo grooved decking clips with ease. Exclusively fastening camo Edge, Edge X, and Edge X metal clips, this tool speeds up jobs with its ergonomic, height-adjustable handle and weighted nose for easy screw targeting. It's a contractor-grade, lightweight, and durable tool that attaches to your drill, making fastening quick and comfortable while standing. The Clip Drive is easy on your body and ensures no scuffs or rings on your decking. Combined with Camo's universal clips and lever tools for the ultimate grooved deck installation system. Work smarter with Camo's innovative solutions. Imagine your DIY paradise, tools and half-finished projects everywhere. Suddenly, the Bosch Universal Multi-18V swoops in, your trusty sidekick, ready to tackle any task. It's sleek, it's handy, and it's ready to turn your DIY dreams into reality. With an 18-volt motor and a wide range of accessories, it can handle sanding, cutting, and scraping with ease. Its ergonomic grip makes it a pleasure to use, while the brushless motor ensures efficiency and runtime. Whether refinishing an antique or building custom shelves, the Bosch Universal Multi-18V has your back. Embrace your creativity and let this sidekick take your projects to new heights. Tired of the old-fashioned headache of door installations? Enter the MilesCraft Hinge Jig, a revolution in the world of craftsmanship. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. This self-clamping wonder holds itself in place, sparing you the hassle of unsightly holes from screws or nails. Crafting perfect hinge mortises is a breeze with sizes ranging from 2.5 to 4.5 inches for doors of all dimensions. Its unique design even allows for seamless switching between routing radii. And those drop-in templates? A game changer for latch mortises. It's time to make door installations a joy with MilesCraft. Step into any construction site and meet the star of the show, the OX Pro Ultra Strike Hammer range. With its effortless grip and powerful features, it's a true standout. From its straight rip claws to the integrated side nail puller and magnetic nail starter, it streamlines every task. Even as the day wears on, its lightweight build and ergonomic handle keep you going strong, absorbing shocks and offering unmatched control. Precision? It's got you covered with its noble-shaped strike face and innovative bridge shaft design. Say hello to your new best friend, the OX Pro Ultra Strike Hammer range, transforming your work seamlessly. Tackle heavy-duty tasks with ease using the OX Packdown Sawhorse. Its iconic powder coat finish ensures maximum durability and protection. Its compact folding leg design allows for easy storage in your truck or workshop. The angled steel base plates provide stability, and the spring-loaded mechanism ensures effortless setup and prevents the legs from unfolding during transport. With a tested load capacity of 400 kilograms, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. The 800mm bamboo benchtop offers longevity and surface stability, while the 800mm work height reduces back and spinal fatigue. This versatile folding sawhorse is essential for pros and DIYers. In the bustling workshop of precision engineering where every cut counts, stands the Jet Elite 16-inch VES Vertical, a modern marvel designed to meet the demands of today's machinists. Its heavy-duty construction minimizes vibration, and the quick-action vise speeds up setup. With adjustable air hydraulic control for smooth operation and a blade that cuts cleanly through structural materials, efficiency is at its core. Plus, its easy cleanup with a pressurized wash-off hose saves time for what matters most: crafting excellence. Designed for today's machinists, it's the perfect addition to any shop.
Do you want to elevate your carpentry skills? Then check out the Craig R3 Jr. Pocket Hole Jig System. This product will be your secret weapon for producing strong and invisible joints. Plus, it's portable and will let you drill angled holes in wood, ideal for making different types of furniture, cabinets, and more. Also, it comes with an included clamp adapter that's compatible with most clamps for extra stability. The 9-depth setting will allow you to join materials of different thickness levels, making your projects truly one of a kind. This device is built to help you bridge the gap between your woodworking ideas and the final creation with ease and precision. Stop wrestling with heavy machinery around your woodworking workshop. The Boramate Mobile Base Kit PM1100 can be your solution. This kit will allow you to easily mount and move big machines such as table saws, band saws, workbenches, and more, since it has a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. The best feature of this product is its customizability. Efficiently measure your machine's footprint, cut a piece of plywood according to your requirements, and attach the hardware provided with the product. The kit comes with easy glide casters that can lock safely with foot-operated levers, which will allow you to have control and maneuverability in your workspace. This tool is a game changer for garage tasks, workshops, and spaces where you need to make your equipment mobile.
Step into your workshop with confidence because the MilesCraft 3406 Grabber Pro has your back. This versatile push block is a game changer, designed to glide over saw blades, keeping your hands safe and secure above the cut. With its high friction grip and angled handle, you can guide your workpiece through cuts with precision and control, even when ripping thin boards. The adjustable sacrificial heel and right-angled support add extra stability for taller workpieces. From table saws to router tables and band saws, the Grabber Pro ensures safety and accuracy in every cut. Don't take chances with safety. Get your hands on the Grabber Pro today.
Are you ready to simplify your next woodworking project? Introducing the Motivera Laser Level, your new best friend for easy alignment tasks done with precision. This portable and lightweight gadget has bright green horizontal and vertical lines, which are best used for hanging pictures, installing shelves, and tackling a wide range of home improvement tasks. Also, the green laser beams are 4 times brighter than red beams, which offers excellent visibility even when you're using it indoors at a distance of 100 feet. The product is IP54 dust and water resistant, which means it is durable and can withstand different types of working environments. Furthermore, the laser has 4 brightness levels that can be adjusted according to different lighting conditions, and the magnetic bracket will allow easy attachment to metal surfaces. Lastly, the self-leveling function can automatically level the laser, making the job easier for you. So, that was our video of the 15 woodworking tools that are on another level.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.